Hey Barons, welcome to the administration office. Some of you might know this place, some of you might not. But if you haven't been in here, that's probably a good thing. But don't fret, this place isn't all full of bad encounters. This is the holy grail of resources. Trust me, let's take a look inside. Look at the elegance of this front desk. Stunning. And there's no one here at the moment, but the people here are amazing. They help you with whatever needs or concerns that might come up. Like for example, looking for a job? Bam, worker's permit. Moving on, here down this hallway are the guidance offices, where a student can talk to their guidance specialist about any class or college or anything really that they have concerns about regarding FEHS and beyond. Yo, this is perfect. I've been looking for my jacket all week. The lost and found here usually store stuff like clothes or water bottles that have been left behind. I've been looking for my headphones. Valuables like glasses, phones, confiscated phones, or any other electronics are kept safely here in supervision office. Items that have been left at home are dropped off here by your parents. Look at this. This is heaven. This is peace. This is the Zen room. Cute. If you need to calm down before a test, take a quick stop in here and look at the awesome distractions provided. Up here in the health center, take what you need and leave what you can in the Fountain Valley High School blessing box. If there's anything that you might be in need of during the day, you can look at all these informational pamphlets here, menstrual products, and a gender-neutral bathroom. If for any reason the office is closed, you can refer to these windows right here for any information. That's all right, Barons. Tune in next time.